what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog. Today I'm doing one of these project shares with you guys again. Okay, so this stuffed envelope is flying all the way to Malaysia very soon. I'm not entirely done yet, I just want to add some tiny little touches, but this is actually a good time for me to film because after this it's gonna get bloody hot in here and I have to go to the gym. In advance I would like to say I'm sorry for my voice. I have been sick for almost a week now, which is very annoying, but yeah, like I said, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Okay, so I'm filming this at the beginning of July, but I know that it probably, when I upload it, it will be at least a couple weeks later because like I said, I have to travel all the way to Malaysia and I don't want to spoil it on my channel, right? So I hope you guys are okay with me sharing stuff that should have received, the receiver should have, I don't know, I'm very confused, should have arrived at the recipient already. Okay, so just really quickly I put some goodies because what I like to do when I do a swap is include some stuff that she cannot get anywhere else. So these are just some little notepads, actually game notepads. So these are these are notes that you can play a game on, just like tic-tac-toe, and this is another one, I don't know what it's called, but they are game notepads from a Dutch designer. They're called Studio Schatkist, and I know because it's Dutch, I know she cannot get it anywhere else, so I wanted to include some of that. Then I also know that she really likes Flow magazine. I wrote a little message on here on the back. I said stickers from Flow Lemonade, and then there's a little message as well because the Flow Lemonade is a Dutch magazine, so I know she cannot have these stickers yet because unless she took the unless she actually got the Dutch magazine. And then I don't know if I should open this in here. This is just a vellum paper envelope. These are incredibly beautiful if you ask me. I got this one from Note and Wish. I also did a mystery box unboxing from Note and Wish. If you want to see that, I'll put the link in the description box down below. But anyway, this beautiful vellum paper envelope with also the Note and Wish washi tape. I'm really fangirling over Note and Wish, as you can hear. But in here are a lot of paper scraps with just some pieces of paper from pads that I really like. I thought maybe she would enjoy just some random pieces of paper, because who cannot use those for crafting, right? So these are just some goodies that I'm including in the envelope. And then one more bag of goodies. You all know how much I love wax seals. These are just some wax seal beads. I gave her one from every color that I have, just so she can play around with them. I hope she likes that. Just a like fun little touch, at least I think so. And then this is actually the Happy Meal that I wanted to show you. I don't even care about the goodies, but I was so happy with this and I just thought I would show you. So as you can see, her name is Keerthana. I really hope I pronounced that right. So I used these die cuts from, I think it's Amy Tangerine. Yes, I'm not sure, but use these die cuts. How sweet it is. A little bird, a little recorder. What's this called again? A tape. Oh, mixed tape. Oh, it's a tape. These little tapes. Used the letter stickers to write Keerthana. Oh, it keeps folding over. I used my Nouveau crystal drops to make some little fun little touches, and I like the front, especially the bird. But what I like even more is just this snail mail, this Happy Meal in general, because look, when you open it, ta-da! Oh, I know I shouldn't be this excited about my own project because it's going to sound like I'm arrogant. I'm not arrogant, okay, but I'm just so excited about how this turned out. So what I did is, this page is just a little envelope, and look at that cute design. Little envelope with, I don't know where I left it right now, but there's a matching, love it when things match, a matching piece of letter paper that I'm going to write her a little message on. And it also has this design, and I'll just put my letter in here and then I'll close it. And then the rest of this page is just a collage. We have these little die cuts from Maggie Holmes, Flourish, these three I think. I used some foam tape in the back here as well to elevate the Love You sticker or die cut. I used some pom-pom garland here. I don't know, it just really this makes me really happy because it feels so full and exciting in my opinion. And then this one is also elevated. This is a blue little die cut from a flower, and then this, I used this arrow, and I wanted to use it because the purple is exactly the same color as the envelope and the blue matches the flower, so that made me happy. And also again, I use my crystal drops. Here are some golden ones as well. Well, that reminds me, I actually made her some. You know how I have my crystal drops? I just put some sticker paper and then she can just peel them off. See? You can peel them off, use some glue and stick them on something. So they're like homemade animal dots. I will have to find a way to package them and put them somewhere in this swap as well, if I don't forget. So these are also going in there, but like I said, it's not about the goodies. I just wanted to show you my Happy Mail. And then, where was I? Oh yeah, this. So what I did, wait, maybe I should tell you after I take out the goodies. Okay, so the goodies are, we have these label stickers. These are just some gift labels, and actually there was one more, but I managed, I tried to tuck it in there and then I pulled it out, and I managed to get the fourth sticker stuck on the inside of this little gift bag. How stupid is that? Okay, so, and then we have some more flow tags from the Make It Yourself book. Like I said, she really loves flow, so I know that she will enjoy these. This is also from Flow. They're in Dutch, but she even tried to bribe me into selling her my Dutch holiday book, so I know that probably she won't mind that they're in Dutch. These are just some question tags from Flow as well. These are some incredibly cute, look at that gold foil, guys. Incredibly cute stickers from Flying Tiger. I think that's it for this pocket. Yes, and then we have the Note and Wish washi tape samples. I already told you, right, that I did I am doing an unboxing, mystery box unboxing from Note and Wish. Go watch that because it was amazing. And then these are very special. These are washi tapes samples from Blond Amsterdam, which is a Dutch brand, and apparently they make washi tape every year, like 3 different ones. I didn't know that, but I got the ones from this year. Cute hamburgers, donuts and milkshakes / ice cream. So these are some very special washi tape samples that I know you will not be able to get just anywhere. And then we have these stickers from Hema, which is like my favorite shop. They're again gold foiled and they have stuff on them like for you, hello, congrats, thank you, happy birthday, etc, etc. And then the final thing in here is this heart-shaped paperclip and these stickers again from the Sostrene Grene. So again, I know that probably she won't have that shop, gold foil, yay! She probably won't have that shop where she lives, so I'm hoping to send her some original goodies. And now I want to explain to you how I did this. It's not rocket science, but I still want to tell you. So I started off with this pocket. This pocket, as you can see, the stickers fit in there almost completely, so this pocket goes until right about here. So the first pocket is this big. I glued that down, then I made a little pocket. This one is not that big. Look, you can stick the washi tape in there. And that's about how, this is just a tiny bag. I just cut down some vellum paper, folded the edges around and glued that down so that you have like a little in-between pocket. And then finally I took some more cardstock, folded down the edges. This is all made the same way, folded the edges around, folded the bottom around so that you have like half a pocket. And this one is just this size for all the other goodies. So that is my little snail mail. I'm going to decorate the envelope, see what else I can fit in here, and hopefully send it off to her very, very soon. So I hope that by the time I upload this, she has received it, because I don't want to spoil anything. And maybe I'll use a piece of washi tape or something to cover it, to close this envelope. But anyway, that was this little happy mail. I really hope you like it as much as I do. I know it may sound weird that I'm so enthusiastic about my own stuff, but it just turned out so much better than it looked in my head. And I was already excited about the one in my head. So I hope you like this. Oh wait, look, I'm matching. my hair tie is matching my washi tape. By the way, I didn't tell you guys, I don't think I ever tell you guys, but I have an Etsy shop. I sell my own hair ties. It is called The Paper Letter Shop. Very original. I'll put the link in the description box down below if you want to get some of your own hair ties. Yay! But now I completely lost my train of thought. Anyway, I hope you like this as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, follow me on Instagram and whatnot. Hope to see you guys again soon. Don't forget, new videos every Monday and Friday, and maybe even extra in between. Okay, bye bye!